Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make McDonald's ranch sauce. Combine 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 1/3 cup buttermilk, 1 tsp dried dill, 1 tsp dried parsley, 1 tsp garlic powder, 1 tsp onion powder, 1 tsp sugar, and 1/2 tsp salt in a bowl and whisk until smooth. Chill at least 30 minutes to let flavors develop before serving. For the best texture, use full-fat mayonnaise and real buttermilk. They create the familiar creaminess. If you only have milk, add a teaspoon of vinegar to make a quick buttermilk substitute. Taste as you go, adjusting salt, sugar, and herbs to match your preference, and always chill the sauce so the dried herbs rehydrate and the flavors balance before serving. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: I love the Oala water bottle for staying hydrated while you cook. It seals well, keeps drinks cold, and fits cup holders, which is handy when juggling pans. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and if you grab one, enjoy the convenience. Now let's get back to the video. This ranch shines as a dip for fries and nuggets, a drizzle for salads, or a sandwich spread. Keep it refrigerated in a sealed container and use within 5 days to maintain freshness and safety. If separation occurs, give it a good whisk or pulse in a blender to emulsify again, and always taste before serving to check seasoning after chilling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.